Welcome to ODCDeals, your trusted source for premium North American canopy kits, carport frame brackets, and greenhouse frame solutions. Whether you're constructing a DIY carport, greenhouse, or tarp-covered shelter, our modular kits and galvanized fittings are engineered for strength, simplicity, and year-round durability. We're based in Canada with a shipping outlet in the USA. We specialize in high-peak, low-peak, and slant-roof canopy systems, tailored for snow load, wind resistance, and custom dimensions. Our catalog also includes tarps, tarp repair tools, and complete carport kits designed for homeowners, contractors, and garden enthusiasts. From greenhouse frames, carports with tarp, to heavy-duty anchor systems, ODCDeals empowers you to build smarter, safer, and faster. Explore our collection and discover why thousands trust ODC canopy kits for their garden and outdoor projects. Every product is backed by a 1-year money-back guarantee, so you have the peace of mind that your investment is safe. Visit ODCDeals.com today or call Help Desk for assistance with your project.